the world has changed. And so has the meaning of work. Once, people believed that success was hidden behind corporate desks and glass doors. But now those who dare to dream beyond the 9 to 5 are rewriting the rules. Imagine sitting in your room, just a laptop on your table, and still building an empire. Feels impossible? It's not, because the greatest businesses today began at home. But before you take the first step, pause for a second and look around. That same space where you sleep, eat, and scroll your phone could actually be your future office. The question isn't, can I start? But rather, will I? Every great entrepreneur faced this same silence before the storm. This is where your story begins. Right here, right now. By the end of this video, you won't just know how to start. You'll feel why you must. So sit tight, because one small decision today might completely rewrite your tomorrow. Step 1. Find your idea. Don't look for something big. Look for something needed. Maybe it's handmade candles, online tutoring, digital marketing, or home-baked cookies. Every empire starts with a single need. Ask yourself, what can I do better than others? What problem can I solve? This question is your first investor. You don't need millions to begin, and you need clarity. Take a notebook and write 3 things: your skills, your passion, and people's problems. Where all 3 meet, that's your business idea. Don't copy others. Build what feels alive inside you, because an idea born from passion never fades. Remember, the richest people didn't start with wealth. They started with why. And your why will decide how far you go. Step 2. Research your market. Every successful business is like a chess game. You must know the moves before playing. Go online, explore your competitors, read reviews, find gaps they missed. Because the truth is, you don't have to invent something new. Just do it better, faster, and smarter. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube searches, and Facebook groups to understand what people are craving. Don't sell what you like, sell what they need. People don't buy products. They buy solutions that make their lives easier. And here's the twist. While others waste time doubting, winners quietly prepare. You're not behind. You're just before your breakthrough. Step 3. Create a plan. You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint. Don't build a business without one either. Write your goals, target audience, costs, and profit expectations. Break your dream into daily, weekly, and monthly steps. This plan will become your compass when motivation fades. At first, it might look complicated, but every successful person once sat exactly where you are, confused but curious. The key is not perfection but progress. Keep refining your plan as you grow. Your future self will thank you for every small step you take today. Because when you plan with intention, you build with purpose. Step 4. Set up your space. No fancy office needed, just discipline and vision. Choose a small corner in your home, decorate it with positivity, and make it your business zone. That little table could be your $1 million desk if your mindset is right. Remove distractions. Keep a notebook for ideas. Every morning sit there and remind yourself, I'm building something that matters. It's not about how big your space is. It's about how big your dream feels inside it. Because one day, when you look back, you'll realize that small corner was the birthplace of your freedom. Step 5. Build your online presence. In today's world, if you're not online, you don't exist. Create social media accounts, design a simple logo, and start posting consistently. Show your work, your story, your growth. People don't follow brands. They follow humans. You don't need perfection. You need connection. Use Canva for designs, ChatGPT for ideas, and your phone for content. Don't wait for the right time, because that right time is now. The moment you post your first product or service online, you've already taken a step most people never dare to. Step 6. Start small. Stay consistent. Begin with what you have. Sell to friends, family, or online communities. Don't chase big profits first. Chase trust. Each happy customer becomes your free marketing agent. It might feel slow at first. That's how all success stories begin. But remember, consistency turns ordinary people into legends. Even if you earn just one sale a week, celebrate it. That's your first brick in the wall of your future empire. And one day, when that wall stands tall, you'll remember how every small step was actually a giant leap. Step 7. Manage money wisely. Every rupee counts. Separate your business and personal expenses. Reinvest your early profits to grow your setup. Buy better tools, packaging, or ads. Don't be tempted to spend on luxury too early. The real luxury is freedom. Create a spreadsheet. Track every sale and cost. When you respect your money respects you back. The richest minds are not those who earn the most, but those who manage the best. Step 8. Promote and expand. Use digital marketing, WhatsApp groups, Instagram Reels, and word of mouth. Run small ads once you make consistent sales. Collaborate with micro-influencers or YouTubers who believe in your product. Slowly, you'll notice the same people who once ignored you will now ask, "How did you do it?" Smile and tell them you simply started. Because when effort meets time, results become miracles. And this miracle could be yours. In the end, remember this. You don't need permission to build your dream. You just need courage. Every home-based business you admire today started with fear, but ended with faith. Your dream might look small now, but every empire was once invisible. Maybe this video found you for a reason. Maybe you were waiting for a sign. Well, this is it. Don't wait for the world to believe in you. Be the reason the world believes that starting small isn't weakness. It's power. If this story lit even a spark in your heart, then promise yourself one thing. You'll take your first step today, and before you go, subscribe, because next time we'll go even deeper into the secrets of turning your small idea into a full-time income. Until then, keep dreaming, keep building.